Good morning to all. Sai Ram. Welcome back in our maths class. So we were in chapter number 11, that is algebra. We have already completed 3 exercises of this chapter. So we are going to start the next exercise of this chapter. Okay, that is exercise 11.4. Okay. Question number 1 is answer the following. Number 1 is take Sarita's present age to be Y years. Okay, Sarita is a woman and her age is Y. What will be her age 5 years from now? Okay, it is asking what will be her age 5 years. Yes, so if Sarita's age is Y, and what will be her age 5 years from now? It means 5 years later, 5 साल बाद. So it means if she is from now at the present age she is Y, so 5 years from now will be plus 5 more. If I am now 20 years or 25 years old, so 5 years from now I will be 25 plus 5, right? So yes, her present age is Y and 5 years from now will be Y plus 5. Okay. Yes. Now next we have second part. What will be her age 3 years back? So if her present age is Y and 3 years back, it means 3 years ago, pehle. So if she is now Y, so 3 years ago means minus 3. Okay. Okay, we are asking about 3 years ago. Sarita's grandfather is 6 times her age. What is the age of her grandfather? Yes, it is telling that Sarita's grandfather is 6 times her age. And what is her age? Her age is Y. And Sarita's grandfather is 6 times her age. Her age is Y and his grandfather is 6 times her age. It means 6 multiplied by Y. Number 4 we have grandmother is 2 years younger than grandfather. What is grandmother's age? Okay, now we have come to know that grandfather age is 6Y and now grandmother is 2 years younger than grandfather. So it means it will be 6Y minus 2, right? Yes, because grandfather was 6Y, her grandfather age is 6Y and grandmother is 2 years younger, 2 साल छोटी है. तो grandfather age is this, तो 2 साल छोटी है, तो it means minus 2. Okay, so grandmother age is 6Y minus 2. Now next part we have Sarita's father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Sarita's age. What is her father's age? Yes. So it is asking Sarita's father age is 5 years more than 3 times Sarita's age. Yes. What is Sarita's age? Sarita's age is Y and it is telling 5 years. Sarita's father age is 5 years more than 3 times. 3 times is this, 3 multiplied by 5 also you can write, or 3y also you can write, and 5 years more, so it means plus 5, right? So it will be 3y plus 5. And what is her father's age? 3y plus 5. Okay, yes. Now we have the B part. The length of a rectangular hall is 4 meter less than 3 times the breadth of the hall. What is the length if the breadth is b meters? Okay, length is given 4 meter less than 3 times the breadth. And what is the length? We don't know. If the breadth is b meters, so what will be the length? Length will be 3b and breadth will be 3b minus 4. How? It is given that the breadth is 4 meters, so 4 meter we have taken b, and the length of the rectangular hole is 4 meter and less than 3 times the breadth. So breadth we have taken b, so it will be, length will be 3b and 4 meter less, breadth is 4 meter less than length, so it will be 3b minus 4 because 3b is the length given to us. A rectangular box has height b, length is 5 times the height, so it means length will be equals to 5 multiplied by h, and breadth is 10 centimeter less than the length, so it means 10 minus 5h. Express the length and the breadth of the box in the terms of height. Yes, so height of the box is h, length of the box is 5 times the height, it is 5h. So breadth of the box will be 10 centimeter less than the length. So what is the length? It is 5h minus 10, because it is 10 centimeter जो breadth है वो length से कम है. So we have the 8th part, you can do same way, D part, and E also you can do in the same way, right? It is very easy questions, everything is given to you here, you read it and go through it. Question number 2, we have changed the following statements using expressions into statements in ordinary language. It is given, for example, Salim scores R runs in a cricket match. Nalin scores R plus 15 runs. In ordinary language, Nalin scores 15 runs more than Salim, right? Yes, this is the ordinary language. So it is given, a notebook costs rupees P, a book costs rupees 3p. Yes, okay. So in ordinary language, what we will write? We will write, a book cost 3 times the cost of a notebook. Okay, we have taken the cost of a notebook as p, and a book cost is 3 times the cost of a notebook. Now at B part is, Tony puts Q marbles on the table. He has 8 Q marbles in his box. Okay, so we'll write, the number of marbles in a box is 8 times the marbles on the table. Our class has n students. The school has 20 n students. Total number of students in the school is 20 times that in our class. Okay, same way you can do all this rest too. Last we can have, in an arrangement of dots there are r rows, each row contains 5 dots. So what we will write, the total number of dots is 5 times the number of rows. Question number 3, we have given Munu's age to be x years. Can you guess that x minus 2 may show? Hint is given that think of Munu's younger brother. Can you guess x plus 4 may show? Question mark. What 3x plus 7 may show? Yes, it is 3x means that Munu is 3. Yes, let's see here. Munu's age is given x years, and x minus 2 is what? That Munu's brother is 2 years younger than Munu's age. So it will be, Munu's age is x, तो his brother is younger means छोटा है, तो minus 2 हो जाएगा. His elder brother age is 4 years more than his age. So it is x plus 4. And his father is 7 years more than his thrice of his age. His age is 3 and thrice is given of his age. It means 3 multiplied by x, and his father is plus 7 years. Plus 7 भी हो जाएगा उसमें. Okay. Now moving to the B part. Given Sarah's age today to be y years, think of her age in the future or in the past. What will be the following expression indicate? Y plus 7 means, yes, given Sarah's age today to be y years, and ये हमें we have to make a statement for all these. Y plus 7 means 7 years from now. So it will be, and 3 years, y minus 3 is 3 years ago. Okay, yes. So let's have a look. It will be, her age in past will be y minus 3 and y minus 2 by 1 by 2. And her age in future mean future में आगे वो बड़ी होगी तो उसकी age भी प्लस प्लस होगी. तो 5 plus 7 is 7 years from now, and 2 4 8 8 plus 7 9 9 by 2, that is after 4.5 years it's her age will be y plus 4 by half. We have C part. Given n students in the class like football, what may 2n show? What may n by 2 show? Think of the games other than football also. You can think. Number of students like hockey is twice the students liking football. The football like n students, and the number of students like hockey is twice the students like football. So it will be 2n. Number of students like tennis is half the number of students like football. So students like tennis is half 1 by 2, and that of students like football, right? Yes, so we have completed exercise 11.4. so you have to write all these things in your notebook and go through it thoroughly, okay? And Sairam, we will meet in our next class. Till then, prepare, keep on practicing.